Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a countdown timer in Python. So first of all, what you have to do is just import time module, which is inbuilt, so you don't need to download it. Then just input take input from user in seconds. So second will always be an integer, so I'll typecast it, then enter seconds. Then we'll make a while loop which will run until seconds gets 0. So when second gets 0, it will stop automatically. Then what we have to do is we have to make a variable minutes for minutes, then second. Then we have an function called tmod. What it does, it takes the first value, which is going to be second, which is it is numerator, and the second value will be 60, which is denominator. It divides it and separates the quotient and the remainder in minutes and second. So next thing we have to do is we'll make a variable time a. Then we will just format it a little bit to show our time, something like this. You have to do same. Then we will just use format function to give the variables and second right here. The code link is available in the description, so you can go there and check it out. And next thing that we're going to do is we'll print the time. We will print the countdown time as time a, comma, and most important thing, which is the soul of this whole thing, is backslash r. It will rewrite the data again and again on the same position. So next thing that we are going to do is we'll use time module and slip the program for 1 second, and then we will seconds minus equals 1. We will decrement the seconds variable, and yes, it is done. So if we run the program, and it is asking for us to give an input. So suppose I'm giving 6 seconds, it will, as you can see, it is going for 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. It will disappear. So if you want to print something after completion, then you have to first print a blank line, then you have to print whatever you want to. There's a reason behind it, because it will write a new line at the place of the last print statement, and then it will leave a blank line. Then at the blank line you will write this done. So let's go and check it for 2 seconds, and here we go, and it is done. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you understand. Code link is in the description. So thank you for watching, guys.